Welcome student. Today we will learn about the topic green chemistry and nanochemistry. या टॉपिक मधला सब पॉइंट द रोल ऑफ ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री हा पॉइंट पाहणार आहोत. द ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री approach recognize that the earth does have a natural capacity for dealing with much of the waste and pollution that society generates. It is only when that capacity is exceeded that we become unsustainable. To promote innovative chemical technologies that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances in the design, manufacture, and use of chemical products. Use of chemical product. The green chemistry is a the green chemistry helps to reduce capital expenditure to prevent pollution. Green chemistry incorporates pollution prevention practice in the manufacture of chemicals and promotive pollution prevention and industrial ecology. Green chemistry is a new way of looking at chemical and their मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग प्रोसेस टू मिनिमाइज. ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री जो आहे तो थोडक्यात पोल्युशन प्रिव्हेंटेशनसाठी त्याचा यूज केला जातो. इंडस्ट्रीयलमध्ये जे पोल्युशन होते, इंडस्ट्रीयलमध्ये पोल्युशन असेल किंवा कुठलंही एअर पोल्युशन असेल तर ते रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी ग्रीन केमिस्ट्रीचा जनरली यूज केला जातो. यामध्ये minimize any negative environmental effects. Right now, the green chemistry revolution is beginning and it is an existing time with new challenges for chemists involved with the discovery, manufacture, and use of chemicals. Green chemistry helps to protect the presence of ozone in the stratosphere, essential for the survival of life on the earth. Green chemistry is useful to control a greenhouse effect, so we should think about a save environment and save earth. Introduction to nanochemistry. From clothes, sunglasses you wear to computer hard drives and even cleaning products, nanotechnology play a big part in the manufacture of many materials. We have been using lasers in DVD CD players for a long time, which contain nano-sized components. Shows a comparative scales for macro material to atom. Also observe another figure the which depicts the material in natural as well as a device that are man-made. In both figures, some object like tennis ball and human hair we can see with our own eyes, whereas a bacteria, virus, red blood cell we cannot observe with naked eyes. These are known as nanomaterial. नॅनोमटेरियल म्हणजेच यामध्ये क्लॉथ, सनग्लास आपण जे वापरतो, कॉम्प्युटर हार्ड डिस्क असेल, क्लिनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स असेल, नॅनो टेक्नॉलॉजी यामध्ये प्ले अन इम्पॉर्टंट रोल आहे त्याचा. तसंच लेझर इन डी व्ही डी असेल, सी डी प्लेअरमध्ये असेल, ह्या टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये या ठिकाणी नॅनो केमिस्ट्रीचा यूज केला जातो. आता म्हणजे व्हॉट इज माय नॅनो सायन्स? नॅनो सायन्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ फिनॉमिनॉन अँड manipulation of materials at atomic, molecular, and macromolecular scales where properties differ significantly from those at a large scale. नॅनो केमिस्ट्री किंवा नॅनो सायन्स हे जे आहे ती स्टडी ऑफ फिनॉमिनॉन अँड मॅन्युप्युलेशन ऑफ मटेरियल्स ॲट ॲटॉमिक आणि मॉलिक्युलर आणि मॅक्रो मॉलिक्युलर स्केल्समध्ये त्याचं स्टडी केला जातो. त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज किंवा वेगवेगळे सिग्निफिकंट्स ही लार्ज स्केलमध्ये याचा त्यामध्ये समावेश होतो. यामध्ये हाऊ डू वी डिफाईन नॅनो टेक्नॉलॉजी. यामध्ये नॅनो टेक्नॉलॉजी इज दी डिझाईन कॅरेक्टरायझेशन production and application of structures, device and system by controlling shape and size at nanometer scale. Nanotechnology is the design, characterization, production and application of structures, device and system by controlling shape and size at nanometer scale. Why nano? The nanometer scale, nano is Greek means dwarf, but in actual case nano is even a smaller than dwarf. Conveniently, the nanometer scale is defined as 1 to 100 nm. 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of the meter. That is 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The materials we see around us are bulk material that possess a macroscopic physical properties. Grain of sand that is micron sized material also possesses same bulk properties, but material synthesized at nanoscale possesses unique optical, structural, thermal, catalytic, magnetic and electrical properties. These properties change as a function of size and are very different from their bulk material. What is a nanomaterial? The nanomaterial is a material having structural component with at least one dimension in the nanomaterial scale, that is 1 to 10 nanometer. Nanomaterial are larger than single atoms but smaller than bacteria and cells. नॅनोमटेरियल म्हणजे काय की अतिशय स्मॉल मटेरियल असते आणि त्यामध्ये 1 to 10 नॅनोमीटरमध्ये मटेरियल सिंथिसाइज ॲट नॅनो स्केल. यामध्ये नॅनो मटेरियल जे आहे ते ॲटम्सपेक्षा सिंगल ॲटम्सपेक्षा लार्जर असते, परंतु जे बॅक्टेरिया किंवा सेल असतात त्याच्यापेक्षा ते स्मॉल असते. दिस मे बी नॅनो पार्टिकल्स, नॅनो वायर अँड नॅनो ट्यूब्स अकॉर्डिंग टू डायमेन्शन्स. नॅनो स्ट्रक्चर्ड मटेरियल मे बी लार्ज ऑर्गॅनिक मॉलिक्युल्स, इनऑर्गॅनिक क्लस्टर, compounds and metallic or semiconductor particles. What are 0, 1 and 2 dimensional nanoscale system? 0 dimensional nanostructures, for example nanoparticles. A 0 dimensional structure is one in which all 3 dimensions are in the nanoscale. One dimensional nanostructure, for example nanowire and nanorod. One dimensional nanostructure त्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल नॅनोवायर आणि नॅनोरॉड आहे. 0 डायमेन्शनल नॅनोस्ट्रक्चरमध्ये त्यामध्ये नॅनो पार्टिकल्स. त्यानंतर 1 डायमेन्शनल नॅनोस्ट्रक्चर इज वन in which 2 dimensions are in the nanoscale. 2 dimensional nanostructure, for example thin film. A 2-dimensional nanostructure is one in which 1 dimension is the nanoscale. यामध्ये आपण पाहूया all 3 dimensions nanomaterial types, nanoparticles, quantum dots, nanocells, nanorings, microcapsule. त्यानंतर 2 dimensional यामध्ये नॅनोट्यूब, फायबर्स, नॅनो वायर्स. आणि 1 dimensions thin film layers and coating. Thin film layer and coating. Illustration of 0, 1, 2 dimensions. Definition of nanochemistry. It is the combination of chemistry and nanoscience. It deals with designing and synthesis of material of nanoscale with different size and shape, structure and composition, and their organization into functional architectures. Nanochemistry is used in physical characteristics feature of nanoparticles. What makes the science at nanoscale special is that at such a small scale, different laws dominates over those that we experience in our everyday life. Color. It is an optical properties that is different at nanoscale. Elemental gold, as we know, has nice shining yellow color. However, if you had only 100 gold atoms arranged in tube, its color would be much more red. Surface area. High surface to volume ratio is a very important characteristics of nanoparticles. If a bulk material is subdivided into a group of individual nanoparticles, the total volume remains the same, but the collective surface area is largely increased. With large surface area for the same volume, these small particles react much faster because more surface area provides more number of reaction sites, leading to more chemical reactivity. Explanation of increase in surface area with decrease in particles. यामध्ये सरफेस एरिया दिलेला आहे 6 × 1 मीटर स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 6 मीटर स्क्वेअर. एरिया 6 × 1/2 मीटर स्क्वेअर इंटू 8 इज इक्वल टू 12 मीटर स्क्वेअर. एरिया 6 × 1/3 मीटर स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल इंटू 27 18 मीटर स्क्वेअर. Surface area of nanoparticles shows the surface area when a cube of 1 meter cube were progressively cut into a smaller unit cube of 1 nanometer formed. Okay. Then catalytic activity. Due to increase in surface area with decrease in particle size, nanomaterial based catalysts shows increased catalytic activity. Usually they are heterogeneous catalysts. That means catalysts are in solid form and the reaction occur on the surface of the catalyst. Nanoparticle catalyst can be easily separated and can be recycled. For example, padmium, platinum metal. Nanoparticles used in hydrogenation reaction. TiO2, zinc oxide are used in photocatalysis. Gold in bulk form in unreactive, but gold nanoparticles are found to be very good catalyst for various organic reaction. Okay, धन्यवाद.